My name is Andy Bruce. I'm a director for Softools. My responsibility is to work with our corporate clients to understand their needs and make sure our solution is configured to best address those needs. Softools is an enterprise application platform. Softools is a web platform on which we can design and configure simple and complex business applications in a matter of hours and with zero coding. The business problem we're addressing is that for most corporate clients, they have far too many third-party software applications and they have literally thousands of Excel-based business applications. But in both areas, it represents significant cost and significant complexity for the business. So is there an alternative solution for that? And with enterprise application platforms, the answer is now yes. An enterprise application platform is, as its name implies, first of all, it's enterprise-wide, but that's just not inside the organization. Nowadays, that includes customers and suppliers. It is an application platform, which means that it's not just a single application. Multiple applications can now run on a single platform, which means they have a similar user interface. They can share information from one application to another. So it's a very flexible, very agile environment into which to put applications. And lastly, as a service means that it can be supplied very rapidly in a cloud environment. And that means it's secure, it means it's scalable. In the last couple of years, I think every single corporate on the planet is now looking at enterprise application platform. Why? Simply because of the proliferation of third-party apps that they have or Excel spreadsheets. So they all have the same need. In the last couple of years, we've seen that the cloud has now matured. So most corporates now trust the cloud in terms of security of their data, in terms of the ability to scale. And I think probably at this point in time, there's not a single CTO or CIO that isn't currently looking at platforms as a way forward to solve this particular problem. I think the enterprise application platform as a service is one of the fastest growing segments within the IT industry today. 2 years ago, it didn't exist. In 2013, 2014, Gartner identified it as a distinctive magic quadrant. They also forecast this sector to grow to over $7 billion by 2016. Softools is an enterprise-wide platform on which different applications, simple and complex, can be configured. We operate in all industry sectors, everything from automotive, mining, IT, retail. We also work across all parts of the value chain, so solutions in areas ranging from strategic change, supply chain optimization, operational excellence, right the way through to project and portfolio management, governance, risk compliance. As organizations implement the Softools platform, it impacts on business, financial and operating performance in very different ways. It depends on the business need that we're addressing with the initial application. For some organizations, they're looking to optimize their supply chain. We have one client in that space that's looking to double their turnover by 2020. Another organization is looking to take out 15% of their operating costs on an annual basis. A third organization is looking to use the platform to develop their own applications. In that particular space, we're working with an IT team that's using Softools as a rapid application development and deployment platform. And their application developers are able to operate at 10 times the rate that they were able to without having the platform. In terms of who builds the applications, if we go back 3, 4, 5 years, it would always be an IT developer that would need to build an application. Nowadays, with Softools as an enterprise application platform, it's been designed so that subject matter experts, consultants, advisors can design, configure and fully deploy applications from scratch with zero coding. And all of that can be done literally in hours. In the enterprise application platform sector, there are very few competitors to Softools. And those competitors that are out there, the majority of them still require coding in one way, shape or form in order to design and develop applications. Softools is completely free from any software coding whatsoever. That enables advisors, subject matter experts, not only to design, develop, deploy their own applications, they can support them, they can maintain them, so they're completely independent. Also, because it's all on a single platform, then applications talk to each other. They all have a similar look and feel. So much more integrated in terms of a pure application platform. Softools go to market through leading consulting organizations and professional services firms. The consulting organizations would include organizations such as IBM, KPMG, so some of the market leaders, Kepler-Trigo as a specialist provider in certain areas, but also small niche players, but who perhaps have a particular piece of intellectual property or process. So we work in very specialist and niche markets with some specialist partners, but also very generalist players in some of the bigger global markets. The reason why we're at Cloud Expo Europe and previously at Cloud Expo Asia is that I think it's important to continuously get out into the marketplace to understand what's happening out there, what are the major trends, who are the major competitors, who are the major players. At the same time, we may end up picking up some interesting inquiries from partners, from prospective clients, but in reality 99% of our deals come through our network, come through referrals, organizations that have worked with us, see how easy, how flexible it is, and then contact us directly through our website or through our existing network.